Welcome to Evercoat's Smart Repair System for small and large auto body panel repair. For over 60 years, Evercoat has been the leading innovator in polyester filler technology and continues to set new standards for metal straightening and finishing. In this video, we will explain and demonstrate smart repair methods using Evercoat's premium body fillers and finishing products. These repair methods will not only save time and material, but will also improve the overall quality of the repair. Let's start with soap and water to remove environmental contaminants. Next, we will use a solvent cleaner to remove grease, wax, and silicone. Failure to clean may result in poor adhesion and feather edge lifting. We recommend using an orbital sander used with P80 to P120 grit in preparation for Evercoat's high build filler. Remove any remaining dust with clean compressed air and wipe with a clean lint-free towel. Before using a new can, stir the filler to ensure even consistency. Dispense the filler onto a non-porous mixing palette. Add 2% cream hardener by weight. Too little of hardener may result in slow curing, long dry to sand time, sandpaper clogging, shrinkage, and poor adhesion. Pinholes can occur when air is trapped underneath the initial coat of filler by applying too much filler on the first coat. As pressure is applied, it forces the blanket of trapped air upward. We recommend you apply the first coat of Evercoat filler onto the repair in a thin coat using even firm pressure. This will wet the surface to prevent trapped air and will ensure proper adhesion. Then, build the area to the desired thickness, but not greater than 6 millimeters. Taper the edges with the spreader. The filler should be ready to sand in approximately 15 minutes, but check your product label for actual times. One of the unique features of Evercoat filler is that after 15 minutes, many of our Evercoat fillers can look and feel like they are not ready to sand. Don't let the look and feel fool you into thinking that it's not dry. Go ahead and start sanding using P80 to P120 grit. When done shaping the filler, remove the dust with clean compressed air. Using P180 grit on an orbital sander, feather the repair and remove any coarse sand scratches from the paint. Before using a fresh bottle of Evercoat putty, you should shake the package to ensure that the ingredients have not separated from transportation or storage. Dispense the putty onto a non-porous mixing palette. Add 2% cream hardener. The rule for measuring is to dispense a ribbon of cream hardener across the center of a 10-centimeter puddle of filler or halfway across a 5-centimeter puddle. Finish a repair with Evercoat's putty to minimize the amount of primer needed to finish the repair. Apply a finish coat of Evercoat filler or fine polyester finishing putty over the entire repair from paint edge to paint edge and taper the filler into the factory paint. Allow Evercoat filler to reach the appropriate dry time for sanding. For larger repairs, use an orbital sander with P180 grit to help break open the surface and rough sand the area to contour. Finish block sanding the repair by hand and feather the filler into the factory paint. Even the best technician using the best materials will occasionally create a micro pinhole. To prepare the surface for primer, remove sanding dust with an air blow gun and wipe with a clean towel. Thoroughly shake the bottle of 440 Express before applying. Apply a small amount of 440 Express and wipe onto the repair in a rubbing motion. Continue wiping until all excessive residue is removed. Repeat this step until the entire repair has been covered with 440 Express. Visually inspect the repair for micro pinholes. They will be very easy to see once 440 has been applied. Apply an additional application of 440 Express just where there are micro pinholes to ensure that they are completely filled. Allow 440 Express to dry for 15 minutes before applying primer. Using 440 Express will help to reduce your primer usage. Evercoat's Smart Repair process not only speeds up the body repair process, but dramatically improves paint shop productivity and overall quality of repair. This process has been adopted and proven to improve cycle time and profitability by the best body shops in North America and the UK. For more information on other performance products from Evercoat, go to evercoat.com for more information.